Jiangsu Yangtze River Shipbuilding Company, Ltd. in Yangzhou has recently introduced the QIAO LIAN laser cutting technology to enhance its shipbuilding projects. The company, known for its high-quality vessel products, has decided to replace traditional plasma cutting techniques with the QIAO LIAN laser cutting technology. This laser cutting machine has a cutting capacity of 4M x 34M and a 20,000 watt laser source, allowing for cutting up to 70 millimeters. The machine offers innovative features like powder spraying and line marking, improving efficiency by over 2 times compared to plasma cutting. The company has purchased 3 of these machines to solidify its leading position in the field. With QIAO LIAN technology, Yangtze River Shipbuilding aims to expedite shipbuilding processes, improve production efficiency, and build the world's largest container ship, the MSC LORETO. It has also become the 4th domestic and the first private enterprise in the market of large-scale LNG ship construction, aligning with green, low-carbon, and intelligent shipping industry trends.